For the 2021 season, Eura Mobil launched the Contura motorhome. It's on a Mercedes base, semi-integrated, and it comes at a six-figure price. It's a bit different to other vehicles that they do, but at the same time, you can see that very distinct Eura Mobil flavour to it. This is the queen bed version. It costs 124,340, 784 centimeters long and 232 wide and 292 high, just like just about all their other vehicles, except, well, the length is different. Now, one thing that really stands out is this wonderful roof and the skylight there, which incidentally can actually be pushed open by just a touch of one finger. Now, I see other people who've been touched because there's finger marks on it, but it's very light to open. Well, I'm so lost for words with this. Wonderful sloped kitchen as you get with Eura Mobil models, and this I think quite remarkable look throughout. Now, it depends on taste. Other people might think, oh, it doesn't look very good at all, but for me, I think this vehicle or the brand itself has a wonderful luxurious look to it. Now, one thing I do know, however, from it's what videos people watch, I can see that. See, some brands are popular and others aren't, and this is one of those brands which, as far as my videos are concerned, is not particularly popular, which is a pity because it's really, it's a nice van to look at. Maybe it's because people think they're not going to own it or something like that. Or maybe it just doesn't have the iconic nature to its name. Some of the other brands within the same group, the Trigano, which is the owner of this, are indeed more popular. So the cheaper brands such as Roller Team and Benimar get more views. So Eura Mobil, you can find them, for example, in the United Kingdom, and has around 23% of all the views on my channel come from the UK. That we'd expect that to show more, maybe more interest. Maybe that's the reason for them. Anyway, double floor in the van. I'll also show you some of the steps up here. The steps have been used to get. Oh, look at that! That's an unusual way of doing things. Storage down there as well. Anyway, so you saw the double floor. Kitchen's got 3 burners. You've got stacks of space here for doing preparation. Domestic type tap. Oh, I can tell and get tired. Start forgetting words. Sink completely molded, although I'd rather have had a large domestic style drain, in my opinion. Now you can see some of these fittings in other vehicles of the Eura Mobil range, but I think this is very harmoniously done. Let's come down to the front. It says there push, so I'll push it. Oh, what's happened to it? Did I just turn the lights off, or did somebody else turn the lights off? I think somebody else turned. Oh no, somebody else is trying to turn the lights off. Do you know what that means? It means they possibly want me to get out. Anyway, I'll go out in my own time. It's on the Sprinter. It is an older version, but it does take a while for these things to actually be built. And let's have a look down here. Even here, there is a little bit of storage. Right, there's the lights going off. This must be the moment for this video to end. Or do I continue in spite of adversity and show you the German layout? Well, I think I'll show you the German layout in the dark. 784 centimeters in length, and it's in here. Different layout inside. Oh, where am I going? Can't see anything around here. Oh, there's a door. Oops. There's the German layout, which you can just about make out in the dark. I did a video on this, or the dog did a video on this, I should say, some time ago. But the basic information obviously will be the same in the 2022 range as well. Right, 766 EF Contura, and here we have this one as well, 760 EB. Oh, we'll stick the camera in and have a look, hoping that this one here's still got the lights on. It has. We're in luck. This one here comes at a cost of something. It's not, the price isn't written. It's a secret. And if you don't believe it was a secret, I'm going to show you on the way out. There you go. Calf price. You see that? That's what it says there. Calf price. Where is it? In price. There you go. And the price includes VAT at 19%. But we don't know how much it is. There was another one somewhere. I've lost it. Oh, here it is. There's 4 in this series, but I think this has done a bit of repetition. There you go, the Contura on Mercedes, Starlight, panorama roof with smart lift and soft close functions. Alright, this one here has a price written down here, so calf price, 118,260. And you can see somebody's been in here redecorating it. This is the end of the day, you know, people tidy things up usually in the morning before people come in, which is understandable. So that's the Contura, Mercedes based motorhome from Eura Mobil, and thanks for watching. You know what, having this like that, no one around, this is an ideal time to film, isn't it? But what's going to happen in a short time, I'm going to end up getting kicked out. So, which is unfortunate. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that of interest, and all the best from Dusseldorf Caravan Salon, September 2021.